Okay, so in today's tutorial, we're going to be looking at how we can bring data from our internet source. Okay, all right. So we have, without further ado, this is a Microsoft Word document with several links. There are 4 links actually. We're going to open one of those links and see how we can get data from that particular source. Right. So COVID-19 pandemic Wikipedia. We're just going to Control and then we click on the link, control and link, and it opens. Okay, this is the COVID-19 pandemic website where all the information with regards to COVID-19 has been stated here. We can look and scroll down and scroll down and scroll down to see whatever information we can grab from here. So there are a couple of tables that actually appear as charts, and yeah. So and there are also some reports here which we may not know. Um, which are here, all right? So we're going to see how to drag those information, grab data out of this. All right, so what we're going to do is this. I'm going to come here on this link. I'm going to copy this link out like this. I'll copy this link out like this, and you're going to see what we're going to do. I copied on the clipboard like that. I copied Control C. Then let's get back to what we were doing. Okay, so next thing, we're going to go back to our Power BI and Power BI again. All right. So this time around, I've created a new instance of Power BI. A new instance of Power BI have been created. And now let's see how to get data, right? Get data from another source. Okay, we've been using this one. Let's use this, get data from another source here. Click on that. And you see all file database, public Azure online services. Let's go to online services, where we have online services. There are different ways. We can't even cover all of them. I think okay, let's check order. I think in order is where we're going to find the web. Yes, exactly. On order, we find the web here. So we just double click or we click on connect, and then that pops for us to see. Now, the next thing we're going to be doing is to drop the URL. All right, you know that we on the pandemic website, we copy the URL. We're going to simply drop it here and then see what's going to happen. Control V, I drop it there, and then that's the basic. Let's check what happens on the advanced. Okay, that gives us some other information at part of that. That's no concerns. So let's get back to our basic. Then we okay it. And then let's see what happens while it is loading. So meanwhile, while waiting for it to load, remember that we can get data from different sources. Now we're trying to get data from the internet, from the web, all right, and see how to incorporate the web data into our report. All right, so it's establishing a connection. When it's done, there's something we're going to see. All right, so the navigator screen is displayed for us to see. We're going to see what is being able to drag from there. Of course, it's not everything. It's not everything for the internet is going to be bringing here. It's going to be bringing out the tables, right? So like we can see here, there were some tables on it. As you can rightly see, the couple of tables, many tables are actually HTML tables now. So you see table 1, let's just preview it. So you can see table 1, the preview is evaluating, and then we can see, you can see column 1, column 2, table 1, let's see table 2, all right? There are different tables, column 1, cases per capita, all of that. So different tables. How about let's check the epidemiology. All right, let's check epidemiology. You can see the table. Right now, the interesting thing we can do is that we can check the web view of this table. See what happens. Now let's check the web view. All right, clicking on the web view for each of these so you can see, and this is how the information is represented on the web here. Like these are the tables, all right, like I told you before. The information is summarized there like that. That's the web view of the table. All right, so let's click on table 6. We can see table 6 and then table view of table 6, table view, okay, and then web view of the entire information, right? So that does give us the summary. This is how we can actually like get this data. All right, so what if you want to bring these tables into our report? What do we do? Let's select some tables. We can see table 1, table 2. Let me take it from table view, the web view to the table view. Table 3, Okay, table, table this. The views are just evaluating for us now. Well, we're done. We can now simply load it into um, a report. Like so, let it establish some connections, right? So like usual, so it's establishing some connection, table one, table two, table three, table four, and all that information is being processed, completed, 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 completed. All right, so that's it. Okay, once it's done, we're going to see that. Okay, table one is still evaluating. Okay, okay, still evaluating though. So sometimes getting information from the online source can be a bit um it can take a bit longer, right, compared to when the information is stored on your local computer, and also depending on your internet speed, right? So it's still trying to load those tables, and then once it's done loading, we're going to be seeing that here. Okay, so let's give it some time. Speed is taking long though, but it's worth the wait. Okay, give it some time. Wow, it's taking too much time. Anyway, this is how to test the patient. Mm. Oh God, it's taking so much time. Let's still allow for some patience. Or could the problem be from my internet? Mm. I had to cancel that. Let's see, get it again. Let's get it again. It takes so much time. Order, websites. These are real life situations, so it can happen. Okay, I'll drop the URL. This time around, I'll see to it that I'm not bringing too much on tables. So let it establish some connection. This shouldn't take too much time. And okay, so this time around, let's just take the epidemiology, and then this, and then this. Then let's do it and see. So first of all, it processes the tables, then it loads them in. So the processing is completed. Let's give it some time for the loading. All right, so these are real life situations, so just have to be patient with it. All right, so finally everything is clear now. You can see a table. This. So it takes a bit of time to get this information from the online source. All right, so we're looking at it. For the table view, the model view, let's see. All right, so there are no relationship actually. So that does that. So that is how we can actually get information, get data from the online data source. All right. And that's the wrap for this. Right. So there are many sources of getting data from, like about 80 of them. So majorly these are just the busy ones, and I'd like for you to try them out. You can also get information from SharePoint. You can get them from different ways, from even from my SQL database. Now you can try them out. So for one of time, we'll not be doing all of that, right? So what benefit that most times we're dealing with data from our local system, right? From our device, our computer system, and then that's how we're dealing with them. So you can experiment and try other ones as you can. All right. So with this, we've come to the end of this model of how to get data into a report from different data sources. We saw how we can get that from Excel. We saw how to get data from asset database, and now we've seen how to get data from online. All right, so this is the size of our class. All right, have a wonderful time. Bye bye. See you in the next video.